back to my channel Balvigyan Bharti, and here is your mentor Abhilash Sarkar. So we are discussing with about the trigonometric ratio. There, the part we have reached this trigonometric ratio versus the coordinate system. In first part of that, we have discussed the trigonometric ratio of in a condition where the arm which is rotating, pivoting the origin, and the tip which is making a circular path, and the arm length is r we have taken. Initially, that has made equal angle with positive x and negative x, and accordingly, the trigonometric ratios and their relation we have established. Then after, in the second part, the same arm, if it is making the theta angle with y-axis, and we have discussed till first coordinate and second coordinate about those ratios, and we have correlated the ratios when it has made theta angle, the same angle with positive x and negative x. So we have established several relations where the odd multiple of 90 and even multiple of 90, how they are reacting. So that will be a standard form wherever I will get. So you need not to remember this derivation, rather the relation that I have established at the end of the theory, that has to be remembered, and how it is characterized or changing, that has to be understood. So any odd multiple of 90 will change the ratio into its counterpart, that is sine will convert to your what, cos, and tan will convert to cot, sec, cos will convert to cosec. So that way you have to remember the things how. And if it is a even multiple of 90, then sine, all the ratios will be same, but the sign, the signature before the ratios, that will be according to the position of the arm, position of the angle. That is, if it is in first position, all will be positive. Second coordinate, only sine will be positive. Third coordinate, tan will be positive, and a fourth coordinate, cos will be positive. Now the discussion that we have reached will further discuss on the arm when it will reach the third coordinate and making angle with negative y. So that was the progression of the discussion, where we have taken two intersecting line, but although this has to be considered individual case, not this cross line are interrelated. We have to, because to understand how it will make equal angle, I have described that two cross line will always make equal angle with the. So now about this arm when it is here, so the coordinate how it has changed. If you remember, this is y by x to make equal angle. For the initial case, it is x and y. So accordingly, if it is making theta and if it is making theta, so accordingly the coordinate system will change like that. Just go through the previous class, you will understand how I have reached here. So this will be the coordinate accordingly if I taking reference of the initial condition. So now this is theta. Now we will talk about this angle. So this angle is nothing but, if I go total up to this is 270, and from there if I deduct theta, so the angle will be 270 minus theta, and this third coordinate is about 180 degree to 270 degree. In between, that will vary. So now the angle of this arm is 270 minus theta. So if I take the sine of 270 minus theta, actually will reach this arm, and this arm, because we always consider the right angle triangle which are making with positive x and negative x, and accordingly we'll see the ratio, because in any coordinate system, xy coordinate system, x is coming first. So we have to see the triangle which is making with x and minus x. So if it is by this angle, if it is reaching this position, so actually the ratios will calculate basis on the triangle which are based on the x or minus x. So in this case, this will be the angle. So this is what total 90 minus theta. This is equivalent to 90 minus theta. You need not to write it. So we know that this is the arm position and the right angle triangle made by this is this one. So accordingly, if I take the sine ratios of this will give you this much. So this is what the means y coordinate here is minus x, and by this r. So this will turn into x by r. Now actually x by r is what? X is this one. So cos of theta, if I remember this triangle here, this is cos, this was x by r. So if I say this is cos of theta, now correlate this one. This is 3 into 90. So that means odd multiple of 90 minus theta. So sine will be cos, and this negative sign it is coming. If I go with the rule, all sine tan, so only tan will be positive here. So other things sine will be negative. So for selecting the sign according to the coordinate, I have to look into this ratio, not this cos, with the principal one. So sign of this rule will make whether it will same or reverse. So cos theta, and this will decide whether it will come with minus or plus. Now this coordinate sign is negative, so ultimately this all will stand like this, minus cos theta. Similarly, cos of 270 minus theta will become how? This is cos. If I take, this will be base by this one. Base is equal to minus y by r, that is equal to sine of theta. So ultimately minus sine theta. So ultimately cos will be sine due to 3 into 90, and in this version cos also negative. So this will be sine theta. Now talk about tan 270 minus theta. That will become what? Minus y by minus x by minus y, that is equal to x by y. Now here it is tan is equal to y by x. So reverse of that will be cot theta, but this is coming positive. So tan here it is positive. Tan 270 minus is equal to cot theta. Okay. Now moving to the last one, that is this part. So this part I will get, this is 270 plus theta. Angle is 270 plus theta. So now let's see sine of 270 plus theta. What is that? Now the triangle I will get this one. So this position, this angle. So now sine is equal to this vertical is minus x by r, that is equal to minus x by r, that is equal to minus cos theta. All sine, tan, cos. Here cos will be, so sine will be negative. So ultimately this will stand as minus sine theta. 270, 3 into 90 will change. Let's check cos 270 plus theta. The same triangle, cos will be this much, this is y. So y by r, that is equal to sine theta. Now see, cos will be sine, cos here it is positive, so cos will be positive. So cos will become positive. Oh sorry, this was cos, not sine, because cos is x by r. So this will be sine theta. Now if I take tan of 270 plus theta, that is equal to, so let me explain it. If you have confused, sine of this is equal to this one, sine of minus x by r, minus x by r is equal to minus cos theta. So there it will become cos minus cos theta. Sin theta, tan theta is equal to what? This minus x by y, that is equal to minus x by y is equal to minus reverse of tan theta, cot theta. So tan, here it is negative, so tan will be cot and minus. So this way the thing change. Now any multiple further, if I rotate, so any multiple comes, only you have to remember in which coordinate it is coming. So accordingly you have to pick the sign. So up to the last one we have seen this is your further. What is that? Sine of 270 minus theta will be cos theta. Cos of 270 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan of 270 minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Sin of 270 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos of 270 plus theta is equal to plus sin theta. Not to write it. Tan of 270 plus theta is equal to minus cot theta. So earlier the ratios we have seen. So this is the further one. So this way, if I take example of any angle, let's say I am talking about sine of 540 plus theta. So what would be the case? So now first my rule is how much? This is 6 into 90. So break it like that. So the 6 into 90, only this part will decide whether sign will be sign or it will change. So now it is even. So straight away you write sine of theta, that will turn into sine of theta. Sine will be sine, but what will be the sign here? Now check it. 90 90 90 90, 4 times 90 90. So this will come in third coordinate. Here sign is minus all sine tan cos. Remember it. So any angle after 6 multiple of 90 by theta, it will be third coordinate, so it will be changed like that. Now take any other example, any random one. Cos of 1100 plus theta. So what would be the case? So now I will have to bring it something 90. I have to divide it by 90. Okay. So if I divide it, this will 919209218. Okay, 2. So this will be like that. 12 into 90 plus how much? 12 into 90, 2 into 90. Then 12 into 90 means how much it is? 118. 12 into 19 and 0. 1080 angle is covered. Now 20. So this is 20 plus theta. Okay, understood. So 1100 I brought into the multiple of 90 plus the residue remainder plus 30. So first we have to decide about this one. 12 into 90. So this 4 and 4, all 3, 4 gone, 3 turned, then something which is coming in between. So this is first coordinate. So all are positive. So cos, here it is even. So cos will be same. The angle that I will write here, it is this one. this angle. Now this is a separate body. This is separate body. Now you have to consider this is as nu theta or theta 1 you can say. So this is the angle which will be along with the change ratio. So this will decide in which coordinate it is coming, odd or even, whether ratios will be same, in which coordinate the sign will come. Now here it is first coordinate, so here it is positive. So now this is the final part where further we have to work. So but up to that you have to decide. You cannot work with this one and go on calculating. You have to reduce it to this form so that further you can work. Okay, let me take another example. Any random example I am taking. Tan of 960 plus theta. So now what you have to do, 960 by 90, so that is 90 will come. So 6 will be the angle residue. So this will be 90 plus 60. 960 is 9 plus theta, that is equal to, now you have to decide. Now 10 is equal to this 1 turn, 2 turn will finish up to 8, then further 2. Now adding something it will reach to third coordinate. So tan it is even, so tan will be 10. Okay, now in third coordinate all sign tan is positive, so need not to write any negative sign, and that angle will remain as this one. Understood? So this way you have to see the thing and you have to convert. Okay, so this could be anything. Now let me take one more example. Sine of 370, let's say 370 plus theta. Why I am taking separately? Because till now I have only get the even angle of 90. Now I am to bring something which is odd angle of. So if it is anyhow 660 into, this is again let's say 210 plus this one. So this is 3 into 60 plus 30 plus theta. So now this is 3. So 3 will automatically change into cos. The angle I will write, only deciding is whether it is minus or plus. Now 3 into, sorry, I have to bring it to, no, it is still not. So let me take let me take 310, sorry, 310 plus theta. So now this will be 3 into 90 plus how much, 40 plus theta. So now you can see the 3 will decide whether it is the change. It will definitely change because it is odd, so it will change into the angle straightway right. Now you have to decide whether minus or plus will come. So 390 is there, it is finishing here. Now further it is going to the fourth coordinate with this angle. So it is fourth coordinate, sign will be cos due to that odd, and in fourth coordinate sign is what, is negative, so it will come with a negative sign. So this is the case where you have to think of this way. Okay, so this will be the conversion, and in this chapter or in this session I will stop it here. In further few more correlations of angles and the ratios I will show you. There are few more formulas that can be derived which will be useful to understand the total trigonometric ratios, and further we will do the sums. So up to that, thank you.